Hi guys, this is Stephanie from WTI.
Today I wanted to show you the livable napkin holder. This is a great addition to your kitchen. It is a metal kitchen napkin holder with a weighted tension arm. The marble base, it's somewhat heavy, which I really appreciate because I know that you're not gonna tip it over. And also I like that it matches my kitchen countertops perfectly. The white with the black metal accent. I also appreciate that it comes with felt circles under the vase, which it helps so the stone doesn't scratch your countertop. I love that sleek design that it has. It looks great in my kitchen or even in my dining room table. And you can also take it outside if you don't want your napkins flying all over the place. This is great for you. I'm sure you're gonna love it as much as I do.
And that's my point of view.